Good morning, everyone. Once again, A.S.S Science Foundation is here. So today we are sharing a very special story of one of our students from IP University, MANISHA DRALL. So she was a student of regular program at our center. She qualified the NET-JRF. Then she was applying and preparing for various institutes such as IITs, IISER, NITs, and other good universities. And our team is helping her for the interview and the proposal part. Meanwhile, she was working on a small project with IIT Kanpur, and she was applying for all the other PhD programs. So finally, she got the admission in the PhD program in the Department of Humanities and Social Sciences at IIT Kanpur. So her work of the PhD is quite interdisciplinary, which involves a lot of field work and policy work along with the environmental sciences. On this achievement, the entire team of A.S.S Science Foundation, the teaching team, the interview and proposal team, and all the other faculties congratulate MANISHA DRALL for an outstanding achievement, because IIT Kanpur is one of the prestigious institutes in the country in the field of research and academics, which hold very high standard. At present, because the NET exam of September 2022 is over, so fresh batches have started for offline, online, and correspondence with video program for NET-JRF Environmental Sciences, GATE Ecology Evolution and Environmental Science Engineering, and all the other master's program. So those who are interested, they can reach us, because now the clock have started. The next exam of NET-JRF would be in 2023 around April, and the GATE is coming in February. So once again, we would like to congratulate our student MANISHA DRALL for getting the full PhD position at IIT Kanpur. Thank you very much.